power coming up on the DC-6. This is excellently good. Awesome. Wow.
25, go ahead and make your way to the west. Whatever you guys have coordinated for the rejoin.
And as that B-38 Lightning departs to pitch up to the DC-6, they're going to do a 90 to 270 turn and come back in for final pass. Oshkosh 2026, but the B-38 has a long history in the U.S. It was owned and flown by Lefty Gardner for many, many years. He was one of the founders of the Wittman Air Force, and if you were a fan of the Reno air races, he was known as the White Knight. He flew at Reno for many, many years. Eventually, the Flying Bulls obtained the airplane as part of their collection. Meticulous restoration. Never seen this.
For a long time. But he's kept it excellent. There was no point getting out of your seat, so it
as the B-38 catches up with the DC-6, flying relatively loose formation, but right down the runway. 1836 AirVenture.
Wait, runway 18. The Red Bulls are going to fly through to the north, and then I will get you going after a couple seconds for waiting.
They've been cleared in for approach. Of course, that DC-6 does not have the same turning capability. And as they fly by, make sure you get those photos and get the big wave. We're so very appreciative of them bringing both of these airplanes specifically to Oshkosh and part of AirVenture. It's quite an undertaking financially, but also logistically. They fly airplanes across the Atlantic, making several fuel stops, all here. AirVenture Oshkosh 2026. Smoke on 838. Enjoy final pass. Flying Bulls DC-6.
Thanks for joining us. Thanks so much. Don't be back. Course there, at your discretion, clear for takeoff runway 18. Both 1266 push.
And remember, Red Bull, you two things. In this case, it's Wittman.